Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm so pleased today to be able to show you this video. It's a look that I've been trying to do for a long time and I just couldn't get it to work. I tried various ways with gel and gel polish and other things, and finally I saw someone do this look with some gel paints with one of the sponge brushes, so I thought, right, I'm going to try and do that, see if it works. So I'll put this pink gel paint on first and I'm just cleaning it up now with some isopropyl alcohol. And then I'm going to use a matte top coat that I've never used before. So here is a sponge brush that I'm going to be using. It's really pretty, it's got crystals inside. So I'm going to be using that to dab on my gel paint, just onto that pink. Here is the pink that I used, it's 517, a Canni Gel Paint. It's one that I swatched in a couple of videos ago. And this is the white that I'm going to be using. There is it in the pot. So yeah, I'm just going to be dabbing that on with one of the sponge brushes, various layers, just until I get my desired effect. I've never done this before, so please bear with me. So first off, I need to put the matte top coat on, and then when that's on all fingers, I will cure that in my lamp for a minute. It's a UV stroke LED lamp that I use, so it does only take 30 seconds to cure it. I'm going to be completely honest with you and say that I nearly gave up on this look. I tried doing just one nail and it was taking so long to put so many different layers on, and then I realised later on that it was just me being too soft with it and not putting enough gel on. So here is the matte top coat when it's cured. It's a no wipe one, so I don't have to clean anything off. So now I'm just going to get some of the white gel. I'm just going to put it on this piece of plastic just so that I can use it as sort of a palette. So I just need to dab that on, and this sponge, it does pick up a lot of the gel and sort of, it kind of eats it inside the sponge, so you lose a lot of your product actually. But it did take me a while, and then I figured out how to do it in the end. So I just start by dabbing it on quite strong at the bottom and then sort of feathering it up, and then I use the edge of the sponge just to dab on where I want it to fade, if that makes sense. So I just keep doing that layer after layer, gently feathering it up and making sure that I use the clean edge of the sponge just on that fade line, like you can see me doing there, just so that it doesn't give you a strong line, because with a Babyboomer you want it to be like a smooth transition from your pink to your white. I wasn't sure what it would look like, what the colours would look like or anything, so really I was just hoping for the best. But you'll see at the end that I am happy with it. So after I've got the colour how I want it, I need to cure it in the lamp, and I did that for 30 seconds each time. But it does take a lot of layers, so I probably did it, I think 5 or 6 times for this nail, if not more than that. But then after I'd done the first nail, I could do it a lot faster because I knew exactly how much gel to put on the next time, so it wasn't as difficult. So I've gone from hating these sponges to really liking them, because I couldn't use them at first, but now I can, and I think they're amazing. So here it is after the final layer's been cured, and you can see that fade there. I'm actually really impressed with it. Considering I've never done it before, I don't think it was too bad. So I'm just cleaning it up now, and then I'm going to go into the next stage, which is using the flakes. So I'm going to use some of this top gel, and I'm just going to make sort of like a swirly pattern with it, and then I'm going to put these flakes on top of that gel. These are the flakes, the Born Pretty flakes that I swatched and did my last video on, and I wanted to use this number 2 because there's some lovely pink and white in there, and I thought it just went well with this look. So I'm just going to swirl that gel on, and then I'll apply the flakes on top before I cure it, and then I can clean up any that have sort of splashed on the nail where I don't want them. So when I put the flakes on, I'm just using the very edge of the applicator that came with them, just so that I don't put them all over the place, because even though I've put that gel there, they will get all over your fingers and in your cuticles and everything if you're not that careful with it. So I was just dabbing it on and then trying my best to keep it flat as well, so that they weren't sticking up, because then when you put your top coat on after, you don't want bits sticking up out of it and then being all rough. So after it comes out of the light, this is what it looks like. I've not top coated all of the nail, there's only gel under those flakes. So now I'm just going to use this tempered top coat. And then here is what it looks like when it's top coated. It's so much more shiny, you can see that pink. Oh, it's absolutely gorgeous. But if you look at the picture at the beginning of the video and one of them at the end where it's outside in the daylight, it actually looks green. Yeah, on camera it looks pink, so there's a lot of colour shifting there. It's so pretty. So I'm just going to get on now, and I've done the rest of the nails. I've done all the fade colour. I'm just going to put all the flakes onto all the other nails and then top coat them all, and then I'll show you what it looks like at the end. So this is how they look all finished. I did actually double top coat them just to make sure that all those flakes were stuck down and there weren't any lumpy bits sticking up. But I absolutely love them. Like I said before, I've been trying to do this look for so long, and I wanted a look that looked really good on short nails. I'm going camping this weekend, so I need short nails. I don't want long nails getting in my way. So I hope you like them too. Tell me what you think in the comments. Tell me if you've tried Babyboomers and what way you can do it. I've tried with gel, and I can do it, but this is just so much better. And it is actually easier once you get to use those sponges. So I absolutely love them. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. There'll be some videos at the end from my channel that I've done as well. Let me know if there's any videos that you'd like me to do, any particular products that you'd like me to look at. I do have some holographic polishes and other products coming from Beauty Big Bang soon that they want me to review, so that will be up soon, and I will see you in the next video.